Mr. Shanmugan goes back to late 90s when I used to be the treasurer of All India New India Assurance Officers Association. For any help, maybe for any association work, rather maybe financial help, first door will be knocked is Chennai. Chennai region is always helping, even central committee also. Right from that time, wherever our association, maybe All India meeting, maybe committee meeting, there, two people will be from Chennai, will be there. That is Mr. Paroli and Mr. Shanmugam. My all known people from this association start from Chennai only. When I started working for this association that time, I always, any guidance for anything, because there are stalwarts in this association work. So, Mr. Shanmugam, really, it was wonderful working for this association. Like all our earlier speakers were telling, your contribution to the New India Assurance is so great. Like I honestly say, your contribution to this great association is so great. So, on behalf of Mumbai Regional Committee of All India New India Officers Association, I wish you on all officers from Mumbai, you should have a very peaceful, healthy, long, retired life. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shetty. We have heard the one vice president. The other vice president from Hyderabad, earlier he was in Coimbatore, Mr. Ramohan Reddy will now speak.
Respected DGM Shri K. Ravishankar sir, our All India President Paroli sir, Shri Devanathan sir, our General Secretary Balan, Mr. Shetty, and our hero Shanmugam sir, Mrs. Shanmugam, and the young doctor here who has given a beautiful poem. Actually, I never saw Shanmugam sir emotionally vibrant. He is not emotional. He will always be humorous. In whichever situations, many times we will be having heated discussions in the meeting. Suddenly he will crack a joke in the corner. That will bring down all that. Many times, we will be fighting. Then we will say, hey, we'll go for lunch. So all that, the tension will just vanish like that. And when I joined at Coimbatore as an officer, first time I met our All India President, Paroli, in a meeting at a hotel in Gandhipuram called Sitaram. Where I was stunned seeing such a leader here. And of course, our father has just left, Sri Cyril, Sri Divedi. These have been the great traditional people who have brought today what are benefits we are taking today, small, big, or whatever we say. Today we just casually we give application on 1st December and we take the medical benefit. And briefcase increase suddenly. All those have not come just like that. There has been a big struggle of all these people comparing with various other sectors and brought in here. And our lives have been improvised. And after seeing Paroli sir, then after a few days, another hero came there, Mr. Shanmugam. Really a mesmerizing team, as rightly told by one of our other office bearer here, like Krishna and Arjuna. And Paroli sir, sometimes he'll be so active and vibrant, nobody can control him, except for Mr. Shanmugam. Whenever our All India President is in a very active mode, the only person who can bring down the voltage is Shanmugam. Vaya pola, means that will be under. Whenever these currents are high, we'll look at only at him. And sometimes our Shanmugam sir also will be laughing, smiling. He also will be saying, why he is just smiling without bringing down the voltage. One way he was acting like a stabilizer for our association. And many wage revision talks. See, getting associated these people, people have to come for the associations. Nowadays we see a lot of people, and especially the new recruits, they are not taking much interest in the activities. After all, we have to safeguard ourselves. This is for our own. We are not a political organizations. We are doing some activities which for our own welfare. And imagine a situation where we will be missing such leaders. Now most of the leaders are career minded. One side career is going on, one side association is also going on. These people, they have sacrificed a lot. They have sacrificed till the last day, they have sacrificed for the association. So friends, with great respect, Chennai, as rightly told by my friend VK Shetty, there were occasions when Chennai was headquarters of NIOA. Today also, Chennai region gives a maximum number, and today we stand as the only checked off association in class 1. The credit goes to Chennai region. This solid support and mandate, Chennai, Coimbatore, and of course now Madurai regions give to our respected President Paroli the respect what we give him. Today, any issue sitting in Chennai, he can talk to ministry, he can talk to joint secretary, he meets finance ministry, and also chairmans and other things, GIPSA, you know, all that. So that capacity, that power comes only when we give them. So these leaderships had to be developed, and thanks is not the just word for Sri Shanmugam, who has given so much for every one of us. Our DGM was telling, so he should be active. After the, like investigator or advocate, we request you to be active in our officer association also. So we need people who have to contribute for the officer association also. Let this movement go on, because there are so many differences. See, class scale 5 have been removed from officer association. Some rule has come. In charges should not be office bearers. So many things are there, because they don't want us to get united. So let us unite and fight for our benefit. Let us take forward our company and our industry forward. And about madam, நான் மேடம் கோயம்புத்தூர் வந்தபோது பார்த்துருக்கேன். நான் மேடம் ஒரு வாட்டி வந்திருந்தாங்க. நான் அப்போ கோயம்புத்தூர் தான் இருந்தேன். I had a great opportunity to be a host for them for a night in Coimbatore. So nice team, and as rightly told, sir will take care of the family also. He takes them for outings and he enjoys life. That is what required. That is the secret of being always young. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Mikka nandri, vanakkam.
Thank you, Reddy. He has always been a vocal office bearer for our NAOA at all forums. Thank you for the nice words of association and for Mr. Shanmugam. So we have heard from everyone. Now the time is to listen from our All India President, Shri T.S. Paroli. So Shanmugam, Paroli goes together. Now Paroli will speak first. So I would request Shri T.S. Paroli to address us. Please, sir.
Respected DGA Mr. Ravi Shankar, Mr. Balan, our All India General Secretary, Shetty, Mr. Reddy, my good friend Shanmugam and Mrs. Shanmugam, and my dear new colleagues, veterans, Cyril and others. Friends, at the outset, let me thank the NIOA Chennai unit for this tremendous arrangement. Captain Gopinath said once, a leader isn't worth his salt if he is not developing a good succession team. One thing I can be, myself and Shanmugam can be really proud is that we have certainly developed a very vibrant and a successful team. To be very honest, I know Srinivasan and his entire team is doing these arrangements. The nitty-gritty of the entire programs, I was not involved. Even I don't know. Where when things getting unfolded one by one year, in fact, I was also stunned. And in fact, it was some sort of a proud moment. We have definitely built up a team. And I'm very sure when he quits today, when turn comes, we can go with the full satisfaction. Definitely the great banner of NIA will be continue to fly. Friends, before just few minutes, Reddy gave a good speech. I was worried, suddenly the current went. Because we are all black only தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு வசதி கிடையாது. And now the power is back. And well, lot of one thing is that definitely I would like to restrict less. I remember a film where Kamal used to say after in a small television interview, seeing it really telecasted in the TV, he used to say, he was crying in this thing. When it was shown in the TV, he used to say, "Arey, asingama Kapil Dev mara adarane, idu therinja na pesiye irukka maatene." Like that, today it's on a quite, in fact, I am quietly, we are slightly emotionally charged. Asingama agata adarudhu enakku ishtam illa. So I would like to restrict my talks. Mala rightly said, he is totally composed, obviously. Devanathan said, he's a very cool-tempered person and never lost his temper. Very soft person. Finally, even also he said, he was an shock absorber or an stabilizer. Friends need not have the same traits. It's true in our case. Even if you want to tell a white lie, or even a best friend will never say that I will not lose my temper, I am not short-tempered guy. I have not lost temper in my thing and I am quite agitated. Though these are my obvious traits, but he is totally opposite to that. That would have been one of the factors that we could get along and carry the association also a moment forward. But one thing is also there. He is composed, highly matured, as rightly somebody said. Composure and maturity is not only required to face your retirement, post-retired life, to face the events which take place during the time of retirement also. In fact, that way we must. Somewhere that organizations sometimes unknowingly help you. They create some sort of a situation which really makes you to be becoming more and more mature and more composed. They always say you have to prepare for retirement. One of the prepare for retirement, you start enjoying the retirement. How do you start your post-retired life? Develop slightly aversion to a job. Move away from your job. My good friend Shyam told me, I told my spouse also about it. He said, sir, from January you must put brakes, reduce the speed, reduce the momentum. One way of trying to wait for an happy retired life, enjoy a retired life, to develop interest in that, create an aversion towards what you do now. On our own, it is very difficult. We have put 37 years of a dedicated service to the organization. There also company helps you, knowingly or unknowingly, either directly or directly, they create a situation that you develop aversion, or rather you are forced to develop an aversion so that whether you think, good, I have retired today. People to follow will think, fine, it's only few more months to go. That is the situation today. I don't want to further elaborate. If I further elaborate, it may not be good for this occasion. But in fine, in overall, everybody knows it. Whatever has happened, I am very sure, as Reddy has said, all my colleagues know, as Balan said, we are surcharged, we are upset, we were emotionally upset, we are agitated. Agitated is the one which suits me very perfectly. It comes in a perfect diagram to me. But even the entire this scenario, this situation, he was keeping his cool, and even today he keeps his cool. That is the way in which he has built himself. And I know him. Probably these are the traits which he has forcibly acquired also. Today he has a very good family, As he rightly said, he has molded him very well. You know, every bit of his son career, he was involved. Same time, personally and his family life, he had a very, very major disaster, early 90s. Friends who were associated with him, particularly me, I was wondering how he is going to cope up, how he is going to come above that. There are only two options for him. Either to sink with it, develop the negative habits, and take that as an excuse, or overcome it, fight against it. Probably he used to rightly choose, probably that would have his spiritual activities, a totally changed person. A totally teetotal, he became a teetotaler, vegetarian, and what type of a change which has brought him. That is more, it was something he acquired. He forcibly acquired. I used to wonder from him about the change. Though I have seen a massive change the spirituality had given to him, consciously I never ventured into that. So, that he has acquired, that he is practicing it, that's true. What Reddy said is true. Any situation, I know very well. In fact, in a very troubled situation, I know well, when it comes to that, the way in which he gives the solution or cools down the situation is something unique to Shanmugam. Friends, it's a long journey. People, I think, Madamali spoke about Regina Mansion. Regina Mansion is an history. It's an absolute history. And it's a very, very long journey. We have created, in those days, early 70s, 77, 70, 79, they were all a very, very strong dependent and lieutenant to Mr. Rangabhashyam. Rangabhashyam, in a very crucial times, Swami, Ganesan, Shanmugam, well, I can remember Radha Krishnan, Kuti, they were all strong dependents to him. That was the movement, the trade union movement was taking a very, very vibrant turn here. Management, though vibrant, we had an excellent person, G.V. Rao. We can fight against people like G.V. Rao, but we can never disrespect people like G.V. Rao. We fought against him. I have received memo from him. But the respect I gave him because of the personality involved in that. Unfortunately, that is missing today. But the way in which they stood with Rangabhashyam at that time, they were the strong pillars of the federation. Devanatha knows it well. Anandaraj knows. After that, there was not a welfare association at that time. Then the welfare association started. In fact, initial stages, I had a small contribution in forming the bylaws and everything. It was not even called as a welfare, it was called Swami Ganesan Shanmugam Association. They formulated their association. In fact, Trade Rangabhashyam also wanted them to grow in the welfare movement also. Then Shanmugam gradually came active in the class 3, then he became a class 2. There he was, meanwhile, it became a Swami Ganesan organization. But the input what he gave at the formative stage of the SCST association is something remarkable. And one of the main reason for that we are all involved right from the scrap, right from the conceptual thinking, forming the organization. The level of friendship, respect, mutual respect, one-to-one respect, what New India had among the association leaders, right from Swami days still continues. Swami used to be very vibrant, very forcible. But when it comes to me or comes to him, we can see Swami becomes like a child. That was not with other companies. They were rivalries. We started all together. We all started together, went in different directions. But we respected each sentiment, each need. He knows well. When Swami got arrested, people who are there with him knows that. We immediately jumped into the action. I jumped into the action. He took the ways and means it has to be directed. And in fact, we stood throughout the testing times. Anand Raj knows. That is not because of because we have been involved throughout. We never thought him a different person. Till the last days, he had that sort of a personal friendship and fraternity to us. Same thing with Federation. In the testing times, as a development officer, I had a fight with Rangabhashyam. I had a fight with him when he was in Umdia Shopping Center. But in his very difficult days, the day he got arrested, 40 people have been put into the first line beach. We were there to serve him. Throughout the night, we have been serving with him. In fact, Jeev Rao terribly got annoyed because of that. Of course, he's still a great person. So that we grew up in that. We have developed the moment. He became a class 2, very successful. Then he joined me, Suresh, one of the greatest leader of class 2 organization. We developed, we traveled left and right. I still have the photograph in 1987. We took the mic in 87, early 70s. We're still holding it. Better we should quit as early as possible after retirement. Otherwise, this habit will never go. We have joined the class 2 movement, built up the class 2 movement. When we took the class 2 movement, you know the condition. 3 years below the cost, you will be terminated. My branch manager, Mr. Morgan Ram, termination order was given. We have challenged it in the court. As Cyril said, we used to travel by second class. Those days we don't even travel we had an age with us. Suresh is such a comfortable fellow now, he is as good as Ambani. But we used to put old paper and go in the train to Calcutta. We challenged the provision. It came in emergency. Why we are vibrant, why we are agitated, my friend knows. Because we brought in such a way. We challenged the thing which was brought during the emergency in the Calcutta court. We got a stay. Management argued. These people have accepted this provision. Justice said, whatever accepted during compulsion, during emergency, doesn't mean they have to continue to serve, they can challenge. We got the stay order. In spite of the New India terminated one development officer, Ms. Vaidya was called to the Calcutta court. Calcutta court, Vaidya was called. Vaidya knows me very well. Myself, Mohammed Tarbai was standing here. Vaisi Vaidya was put to the court. VC Vaidya was as confident as one person now went for a case in a very lighter way. He just coolly came to the court. He was put in the box. He was fined 10,000 rupees for the contempt of the court. New India management got terrible in this thing. They ran to the RO, brought the money, paid the money. Till the evening, he was standing in the box. Stay order was obtained. Then I told him, you travel. I told him, you have now come the moment, let us carry forward. We carried forward. We became a class 1. We had the privilege of being the office in charge as a AAO itself. We were called ABMs at that time. He inaugurated Nungambakam office. I went to the great office where our Devanathan and all worked. Lingi Chetty. Sheshagiri called and gave me an order on March 15, 1988 and said, "Arey, I am Naxalite office ku charge kudukuren. Tirumbi engitta vandu eduvum sollakudadu." How many times I went with myself, 5 மணி 6 மணிக்கு இறங்கிடுவோம் நானும் ஆனந்தராஜும். கொஞ்ச நாள் யோசிக்கணும் எங்கே வண்டியை வச்சிருக்கிறேன், எங்கேயாவது ஒரு இடத்துல வண்டி இருக்கும். We used to come there, have a biscuit, tea. Anandaraj, what a vociferous leader he was at that time. With a small pencil, I still remember. Start writing Ramajayam at 10 o'clock and finish at 11 o'clock. What a type of persons at that time. Well, my goodness. And not only that, the place was so horrible. Place has to be shifted. We started the movement at that time. He grew up, I came up, I grew up. We joined together movement. We went to the Confed. Well, it is our great privilege, I can tell you. We could meet a person, Mr. Cyril, in Confed. Otherwise, my vibrancy, my continuity would have not been in that. What a great this thing. In 90s, RKD Vedi. If you could recollect him in now at this stage, just imagine his memory and the way in which he has to move around the people. And whatever today the policy matters today. The problem, see, today we cannot compare those things and talk also. Somebody talks today, I'm really wondering in TV, people talk about, how do you expect Kamaraj to exist today? Kamaraj days are over. You cannot expect somebody to follow those traits and exist today. And those days, as Cyril used to always say, there was a need to formulate the policies. There was a need to formulate transfer policy, mobility policy, promotion policy, pension. So we have to travel. We kept traveling. And conceptually, mind has been applied. Those days, the Confed meetings were, it will be to absolutely vibrancy. And we could see the amount of contribution done today. When I keep Cyril today, it's a very fitting to have him today for one simple reason. Today, everybody is very keen about the third time option for the pension, which will be in reality. Those I told the Joint Secretary also, there may be 20%, they are desperate, but yes, I told him last time, Balan was with me. He said, you people have been calculating. Yes, we have been calculating and missed it. We are too smart. Now we have understood. We are not smart, that smart as we thought it. It is a fault. Even life imprisonment is 14 years. Not. So we have already suffered, 95 years suffered. Now you give me opportunity. Don't go by. Cyril only gave that beautiful tip to us. Ask him not to go with 1 and 2. Bankers have got up to, we got only up to 97. Bankers have got up to 2010. You have that tip. I put that reference to him, Anup Wadhwan. Then he said, of course, in a lighter vein, then you go and get from banking sector a letter, they will not ask up to 2014. Anyhow, that has become into a reality. And when I saw him today,